Jesus, David. What did you fill up with today? Your exhaust smells like China's air quality, dude. What's this? Groovy, man. Dandy, do you see those guys over there?
Yeah, that's Juan and Caesar. You order from them like 3 times a fucking
We
week.
should build like a really tall, thing. Like a thing in between, to separate them and us.
What, like a wall? That's not cool, David. Give me that fucking thing.
Oh, cool, Juan and Caesar. We should go get some food and say hi, Dandy. Let's build a wall. Tacos, 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 tacos. Wall,
This
wall,
shit's going
wall,
underground.
Well, I'm going to get some tacos.
Me voy, me voy, me voy.